I'm going to continue on from what I was doing yesterday, and I explained it a lot yesterday, so I don't know if I need to do that again. It's foggy outside. I'm going to put a little piece in here so we have something to nail to. I'm going to cut it 8.5 inches long. It's 8 5/8, but I'm going to cut it 8.5. I don't need to have it completely over there. So I'm going to cut it 8.5 inches long. And then I'm going to try to get that stand-up shower, bring it over here and see how that's supposed to be installed. Then I'm good at hitting that foam. Okay, now I'm going to grab this stand-up shower thing, see how this is installed, so I know where to put some mounts so this thing could get mounted. I don't even see how it's supposed to be mounted. Pull that off. Well, how the hell does it mount? Oh, I bet it just slides down on it something. He's got a little thing down there. That could fill the steam. That thing right here.
That's crooked. Isn't it tilted?
Interesting.
Looks like it slides on something. You could
yeah, like a bracket. Probably that high, huh? Let's see here. These hoses. Well, I just get the hot and the cold, run over there and figure it out from there, I guess.
Well, you gotta have water that comes over here.
That's not a problem. That's what I'm working on doing right now.
This is that. This is that. This is your control here. I don't know what these are. These are this and this.
One's for the bottom tub down there. These just turn on this just turns on what goes up here. This is...
You just need hot and water going to that. Hot and cold. From over here.
I know the hot and cold comes over here. That's what those fittings are for.
You just need the hot and cold going over there, and then that does the rest. Turn this thing around and do it over here so we can see instead of you. Okay, hot and cold goes here.
I guess I would go to this line here. That's for the shower up there. And then this. These are those little jets. Spray all over you. Let's see, that goes.
That goes here. That's a control. sure.
Well,
That needs,
this one here goes to all the little jets.
maybe you gotta look this thing
Gotta figure out how
out.
to turn this on. Oh, it's all hooked into here. The hot and waters. This is supposed to go to something.
We gotta have water coming into that, obviously.
No, I
But
don't
here's
know.
where the water comes in, goes out.
This is an out because it's.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Water goes in here, hot and cold.
This is just an outline, and then
This is just the heat is what this is. Then this has to hook into
to
the
something
system.
else.
This goes here.
No,
Goes up
these are all outs.
I know.
These are all outs. This is an out to something. These are in, and this is an out to something. Like if you want to hook something extra up somewhere else. We'll just get hot and water and cold water, and then this thing here just turns on and off, and it goes to someplace else. Like if you want to put a another shower head up there or something, that's what that's for. Either that or you don't hook it up at all. I think this is supposed to go out like that and hooks to something else if you want to have a.
Like one of these.
Yeah. So, and we do have one over there.
Yeah.